Everybody, it's Coach Williams. I'm back with another video. Today we're going to work on doing the controls of the car. So the first thing they're going to ask you to operate on the driving test is they'll ask you to operate the front window, the headlights, I'm sorry. So they'll tell you to turn the headlights on. You'll simply turn the headlights on this vehicle, and in order to operate, then they'll ask you for the high beams. The high beams will be here, so you just put your finger there and you'll push it away, and you notice that that light came on. That's your high beam. They'll tell you to turn it off on this vehicle here. You'll just pull it back to you, and that turns it off. And then we'll move around to the other side of the vehicle with everything, because that's all they're going to ask you for, those controls. So here are the next thing they'll ask you for is your windshield wipers, and your windshield wipers are here. As you notice right there, that's the windshield wipers. You simply take the windshield wipers up, that turns them on. You pull it back down, and that turns them off, okay? Up is on, down is off, and you let it go. Then they'll ask you for your front window defroster. Your front window defroster is going to be over here on the dashboard, and that's going to be the defroster button right there. You see that little dot right there. Normally you'll drive here with the air conditioner. That's the air conditioner control for the vents, and then you'll just put it here, and they'll tell you okay, and then you got to make it blow, so you use that knob there for the fan, okay? And then they'll tell you to set that back, and you can put it back on air conditioning, because it's hot up here in St. Louis right now, y'all. All right, now here's the rear window defroster, is right here. You just push that button, it comes on. All right, you turn that off. All right, then they'll ask you for your parking brake or your hand brake or your emergency brake. And in this case, we have a little button on this car. You just push it down. Pull it up, and that'll set the parking brake or the emergency brake. You push it down, and it'll go off, okay? Then they'll ask you for your hazard lights, and you can see the hazard lights right there. Operate them. Maybe they might ask for them, but that's what they are right there in this car. Turn those off. They'll ask you for the accelerator or the gas pedal, and you'll just use this, and that's the gas right there. All right, this is the brake pedal, so they may ask you for that also. All right, and then that's going to be the controls of the vehicle.